And welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we're going to be testing out this. I got a mini, and this was sent to me by a subscriber, not by Tarte. So we're going to be testing out this. This is the new Hydroflex, and it is a clean foundation, a serum foundation. And it's a clean one. So we're going to be testing this out. And I will read you what it says about it here in just a minute. But I did want to show you something that I was also sent. And I think that they are so pretty. You see that? Look at that little guy. Isn't he beautiful? And then these. They're just so pretty and so dainty. I love them. And when I saw them on the line, I looked at them, you know, because they let me pick out some stuff, and it was like, they're meh. But then when I got them, they're so pretty and shiny, and they're just the perfect. These ones are so tiny, and they're just perfect. This one is a little bit red because I think this back hole had closed up a little bit, so I had to poke it through. But it's good now. But anyways, I got these, and I love them, and they would make a perfect Valentine gift for yourself. And if you have kids or grandkids, these little tiny ones, they're so cute. And they have a bunch of different ones that are like these little tiny ones too. I was going to show you the other pair I got. This is how they come. They come with this little, they said they're carbon neutral. So if you care about that, that's, you know, a good thing. So their packaging is not paper. These are the little canvas bags. Anyways, these are the other ones that I got. And they are so cute. I'll probably wear them in the next video. Can you see them? One has a star and one has a moon. They're just so pretty. I had one on last night, but I thought I'll wear the set, and then probably for Sunday's video that I didn't put up last week. You know, it's just busy times. Anyways, for this Sunday's video, I'll wear these ones with these because, oh, they're having a sale. I want you to know, because that's one of the best parts. And these are super reasonable. They just have really good prices, and everything's on sale. And they're also having a buy one get one 40% off right now. I think it goes through Valentine's Day. I'll have all that information below, and I'll have a link for you to click so that you can find them. Okay, this foundation, it says that it is a vegan serum infused foundation that flexes with your skin to cover imperfections, hydrates, and promotes better skin. It is medium coverage, natural finish, and it has all kinds of good skin ingredients in it, which I'm not going to read. So, oh, here's how to use. Shake well and massage 2 to 4 drops into fingertips, a sponge or brush, and blend. For more coverage, use 4 to 6 drops. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So that's all we need to know from that. So let's just, I'm going to put a primer on. I think I'm going to leave this on. I know my hair is not fixed. It's still wet. I just washed it, so I'm letting it dry. I'm not even brushing it. That's why it's like this. So I'm just going to put on my Tarte Base Tape primer real quick, and we're just going to do a super natural look today. I know I always say that, but I'm really going to do it today because it's going to snow tonight, and I really need to go to town because I got my freeze dryer, and I don't like what it's sitting on. It's too tall, so I need to get like a rolling cart for it. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, we're going to make this video because it needs to go up tonight. All right. Okay. It said shake it well. And this one is, my color is 20N, and this little tiny guy, this mini, is, how much is in here? 0.33 ounces. All right, I hope that's shaken enough. Anyways, I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's probably way too much, but oh well. We're just gonna put it on here. And we're gonna grab a brush and start spreading it around. See if we can get medium coverage, natural finish, awesomeness out of this. I don't usually get awesomeness from a natural serum foundation, but maybe today's the day. I'm good with that. Well, so far so good. I think the coverage is okay. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more around my nose because I always get red right there. Grab the rest of this, pull it down my neck just a little bit. I like it so far. I don't know that I'd say with 6 drops I got medium foundation. I mean medium coverage though. But we're going for natural, so we're just gonna go with it. I'm not gonna put any more on. I do have a little on the brush there that I'll put over here. It feels really good, like nothing is there. Moving on, let's go ahead and I don't know if I even want to powder this. I think I'm just gonna powder it. Oh, let's put some concealer on. Let's use the e.l.f. Makiage concealer. I'm gonna use the lighter one because this color is a little bit light for me, I think, of the foundation. So I'm going in with this concealer. Just gonna pat this in. All right, I am gonna have to powder it a little because it's very shiny. So I'm gonna go in with my Bye Bye Pores. I'm gonna try and go in. I think I'm gonna go in with a brush just because when I go in with a powder, it puts a lot. Kind of pat that out. I'm just gonna grab a little on my powder brush now. And then just lightly dust it over everywhere. Take down a little bit of that glow, and that is good. It is pretty, very natural looking, yet it did cover. So moving on, let's put some color back into this face. I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown, of course, as if you guys didn't know that, right? Shadow out that gullet. I told you guys we were going natural. I am going to go in with a little bit on my nose. But I think I'm just going to go in with what's on the brush. Just like that. We're going to go now in with some eyeshadow. I'm just going to grab one of these little e.l.f. ones. I think the cream and sugar one. All right, so we're going to grab this cream and sugar one, and I'm just going to put this first matte color all over my lid. Pretty much just to set that concealer. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to add some eyebrows. I will use my NATASHA DENONA. And I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm just going to go in, brush them up a little bit, down a little bit, and grab some. I remember I used this the other day and it was too orange. Doesn't look orange now. Maybe I used the wrong one the other day. This one is called Crease. Yeah, Crease. And we're just going to do a light fill. Just to get the shape we want. So this is pretty much it. We're going to put on some lipstick and call it good. Because, and I think I'm just going to put this Laneige on because this is a natural look. Tastes like berry. Well, it smells like berry. I don't actually taste it. But this is our go-to-town natural look. Testing out this clean foundation. It looks amazing. It really does. It's got just enough juice, shine. What am I looking for here? Moisturize, look, glow. That's what I'm looking for. It's got just enough glow coming through with that little amount of powder. It looks nice. What can I say? It looks nice. So I am going to end this video here. Don't forget, Ana Luisa jewelry is on sale. She's got a lot of stuff. She's got necklaces and rings and bracelets too. I just don't usually wear. I wear this necklace. Is what I always wear. And then rings. I used to wear rings, but I don't wear them anymore. I don't know why. Sometimes I do, but I just didn't pick them. I just picked the earrings because I thought they were cute. And I thought, these are a good Valentine's Day gift to me. From me to me. And I love the other ones too. I can't wait to wear those. So, anyways, don't forget, buy one, get one 40% off. That's it for this video. It's a beautiful, I'm giving it a thumbs up for sure. I think it looks really good. It gives you just enough glow, just enough coverage, and it looks nice, especially for this all natural look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!